Hey Northridge, got a cracked windshield or damaged auto glass? Don't let it slow you down. We know how frustrating it can be to have a damaged window when you're driving around our beautiful city. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Whether you're heading to class at CSUN, grabbing lunch at Northridge Fashion Center, or just enjoying the day in town, Zippy Valley Auto Glass is here to keep you safe on the road. At Zippy Valley Auto Glass, we specialize in fast, reliable, and affordable auto glass repair and replacement. Got a busy schedule? No problem. We come to you with our mobile repair service. That's right, we'll meet you at your home, work, or even your favorite coffee spot. With over a decade of experience, we offer high-quality repairs and replacements that meet manufacturer standards. Plus, we work with all insurance companies to make sure your claim process is as smooth as possible, no matter where you are in Northridge or the nearby neighborhoods like Reseda, Canoga Park, or Chatsworth. Our team is just one call away. So if you're in Northridge and need fast, friendly, and reliable auto glass repair, call us at Zippy Valley Auto Glass today at 818-284-4899. Visit our website at www.zippyvalleyautoglass.com or check out our Google business page to see what other happy customers are saying. Keep driving safely, Northridge, and let us take care of the rest. Zippy Valley Auto Glass, we've got you covered.